Wild si Divine.
Bakit anong ginawa ni Divine?
I don't remember. Oo, dapat kwento.
Bawala ka.
Ano masasabi mo?
Ano magkwento, pero isabi mo lang.
Whatever.
Ano nangyari?
Ano masasabi ko?
Whatever.
As if.
If. Bawal.
Sabay wala.
Sa harapan natin.
Sabay wala lang.
Whatever.
Mag-grip nga ako dun sa amin. Mga asawa sa kapatid ko. Nasanay na.
Di ba grip ka rin dito?
Bahay namin.
Grip ka rin dito? Grip ka rin dito? Nakasama ka, Joseph, oh.
Oo, tong init na sa loob ng katawan.
Huh? What happened sa jacuzzi? Nag-cotton ka.
Ano? Diba? Ano nangyari?
I don't remember Jack, nothing. Ano nangyari?
I don't remember. I just remember sitting in the pool and then us having so many shots. And that's all I remember.
I remember one thing.
What?
What? What? I don't remember anything.
Yung naano ka?
Jacuzzi daw. Nagganon siya.
Well, you don't even remember that.
No, that I don't remember.
So he was, that was when he was
Already?
May jacuzzi tayo apat.
Pero hindi sa jacuzzi.
Yeah.
Yung ano daw nangyari ng jacuzzi?
Ano ba about to put our blindfolds on? I flashed.
Tatanong ni Denise ko anong ginawa natin sa jacuzzi.
Wala.
Wala, nagkakawakan kami ng ganito.
Hello? I see you, Wendy.
Minawak yung kay Gardo.
Sino?
Ito.
I was, what?
Diba? Minawak ni.
Yeah.
What?
Okay.
What?
I don't know. Can you
Stop.
Sa'yo?
Oh, like I was...
Hindi.
I think this is what happened. I was talking to someone here I don't remember. You grabbed my hand, and all of a sudden I felt something like, did I just...
Yeah. Naalala mo? That's the only thing I
That's
can remember.
what I remember from...
Lasing ka kasi.
I think I remember. Because all of you guys were touching it. I was like, just touch it.
Naman yung mara tayo sa camera.
That was the first time that we got alcohol in.
One.
Weeks,
And we just went crazy.
and we didn't eat dinner.
And we had 4 bottles, and all the girls, I think, had like this, at least 1 bottle to themselves, and me and him just finished the
And
rest.
it,
I think they had 1 bottle each, or 2 bottles.
Sila, mga dami yun.
That was
it was fun. It was fun.
I don't remember going back to the confession room. I don't remember sleeping. I don't remember.
Malapit na sumuka sa confession mo.
I know, I remember that. I
thought I
remember
did.
taking off the blindfold.
You're like, sumuka
I
ka
need
pala.
something to puke in. You grabbed the biscuit.
Yung biscuit.
Remember I told you my story with my 21st birthday? I threw up in Cubs. I need to find something. I even feel rude if I just vomit on the floor.
No, it's better to vomit and sleep.
Pero kala ko ilalagyan na ng batteries, not that one. Yung container ng batteries.
No, the task container.
Nagsanod ka ba?
May hiba.
Ano ba? Sasamahan nyo, guys!
Sabado mo yun. Sabado mo yun.
Ganon. O, tara.
Siting kaya sa kasi nagtitigan daw.
Sino?
I don't love you guys.
Si Joya rin? Meron din si Joya. Wala naman ang...
Wala kang checker.
Tama. Meron ka? Meron ka?
Yeah.
Where?
No, because then I look like a kid.
Secretary.
I want to be more individual. And I don't mind if it's the same color. And plus, I already wore my checkered shirt. Ooh, I have my red checkered shirt. Oh, where is? Pick it up. No. My red pick it up shirt.
That's you. 22!
Ready na.
150,000.
Bigyan namin sa kabila.
100,000 million quadruples.
Bakit? Oh. Just.
The next day I have the worst hangover. Did you have one?
Yeah, during the pool. I mean the billiard.
The billiard.
I had
The
to
girls didn't
leave.
have to do anything, so I was like,
Yeah.
yes. Just slept all day.
Cleo was like, all the guys need to stay there. And I'm like, I'm gonna go to the bathroom real quick. In the morning I felt fine. Towards
Yeah,
the
because you're
night.
still drunk.
Towards the night I was all like, oh man, I have to throw up. So I did.
O yun?
We drank so... I can't believe Claire gave us 4 bottles of alcohol between.
Ito pag nakakainom mo, ano ka? Kay Ate Rhea. First time na nalasing ka kay Ate Rhea. Tapos second time, yung sa girls.
Why not? We only get it limited.
Hey, I'm single.
Aggressive. Pag lasing.
Wait, is it bad, aggressive?
I wasn't there when you guys, drunk.
Okay, the first night.
Diba, I told you.
Was it bad?
Forceful.
Kasi first time yung mag-meet. Tapos, kino-corner mo na siya agad.
Ngayon ako si Dayan din, ginanan mo. Si Dayan, ganyan din ginawa niya kay Dayan.
Wait, I cornered Rhea? Where?
Si Dayan din ginanyan mo, alam ba yun?
Ewan ko sa'yo, charot eh.
Diba?
I don't remember. Sorry.
Una mong katabi nun ako. Tapos we were sitting sa may ganun.
Yeah, the chairs. Okay.
Tapos, ano ka na nun parang naka-guard ka na, nakaganyan ka na. And nakaganito ka. Ganyan ka. Dito ako. Nakaganyan ka na. Tapos we were talking lang, tayong tatlo nila, Jericho and Slater. Tapos, tumayo na ako. Tapos, doon naman umupo si Ate Rhea. Tapos, siya naman yung ginanon-ganon mo. Siya naman yung ginanon.
That I went like this?
Tapos, basta, super kino-corner mo siya.
I didn't like this all the time.
No, hindi. Hindi lang ganyan eh. First time yung mag-meet ganito ka
Ano? You're me.
Diba yung kaganan na chair, di may harang dyan.
Okay.
Ganyan ka na. So, gumaganyan ka kay Rhea. Anong gagawin mo first time natin mag-date outside? Parang, nakakaloka ka, bakala ka. First time yung mag-meet date agad outside. Papalit kaya kita. Kakaloka to, bakalang to. O, tinuro sa'yo lang. Ganyan ba natutunan mo sa Chicago? Sorry.
No idea.
Kino-corner mo kaya si Ate Rhea.
That's why when you came back, you were so this thing. You're like, oh my god, you guys are so drunk.
Tapos kung uminom ka na, parang, bata sa bata mismo.
First time nag-alcohol.
Oo, nakuhanan yan na naglulupasay.
Carlo.
Grabe si Carlo.
Sa looban. Yeah, I controlled myself.
Ano ko? Yung sa amin nga, si Dayan, ginanon mo sa wall. Tapos parang nakaganon ka.
And then,
Ano mga corner niya
You're
sa wall?
touching everyone.
Ginanon niya sa wall. Corner niya sa wall.
I think Carlo. It made it really obvious that you're drunk because Miguel was puking. You were like peeling all the girls. Everyone else was okay, but it was just you and Miguel.
Ang kukorner ka kaya!
And I go, smell them. And you're the only one who smelled them.
Itong corner na to.
Whoops.
It's funny. It's funny.
Nakakaloka. Sorry. Ewan ko sa'yo kung ano kunyari pang unang matanda. Kunyari unang matandaan? Amnesia? My amnesia girl?
No, I only drank that much because, one, we weren't driving anywhere.
And we don't know when we're gonna get alcohol again. So we punished it.